Hey there, I'm super excited to share something interesting with you today. It's a topic that can help us learn and understand so much more about how businesses and industry work together. We are dividing into the world of trade association, but we will be dividing into them from a tax perspective. That means we will cover their definition, how their resident status is determined, the condition they operate under, and how their gross income is assessed, and even the tax exemption they might have from income tax. It's such a fascinating way to understand their role and importance, and I can't wait to explain it all to you step by step. So let's get started.
Alright, now I want to explain about definition of trade association. In the section 53, subsection 3, defines a trade association to be any association of persons, of partnership or of persons and partnerships formed with the main object of safeguarding or promoting the business of its members. For the purpose of income tax, a trade association is deemed to be a body of persons and not a partnership. Example of trade association are two. One is National Chamber of Commerce and Industry Malaysia and Malaysian International Chamber of Commerce and Industry. So, that is about the definition.
So next, let's talk about what makes condition that makes an organization a trade association. According to Parasit 2005, there are a couple of key rules that must be followed to earn this title. First of all its members must carry on as business. Imagine a club where everyone runs their own business, whether it's a shop, a factory, or a service company. This means that every individual in the organization should either own a business or be actively involved in managing one, rather than being just employees or workers. To be a trade association, every single member needs to actively manage or own a business. No exceptions. The second one is objective must be that of safeguarding or promoting the businesses of its members. Safeguarding means protecting members from risks like fighting against unfair law or rules that could hurt their businesses. Promoting is all about helping businesses grow through things like networking events, training and raising awareness about the industry. So in a simple term, a trade association is there to protect and promote its members, helping them face challenges and thrive in their businesses. If an organization opens its door to both business owners and employees, it's no longer considered trade association. A trade association is a group just for business owners, created to help them grow and support each other.
Next, we go to the main purpose. Trade associations serve multiple purposes that are crucial for the development and support of their respective industries. Firstly, advocacy plays a significant role as these organizations actively lobby government and policymakers to implement laws and regulations that benefit their members and ensure the growth of the industry. By representing a unified voice, they can influence decisions that protect these interests of their members, while addressing broader economic concerns. Another, a critical function is the establishment of standards. Trade associations often develop rules, guidelines, and best practices to ensure quality, safety, and consistency within the industry. This not only boosts trust among consumers, but also enhances the credibility and competitiveness of businesses that adhere to these standards. Additionally, they offer networking opportunities for their members, creating platforms for collaboration, partnership, and the exchange of innovative ideas. These interactions can lead to strategic alliances and a deeper understanding of industry trends. Lastly, trade association involves in research, gathering data, and market insight to aid businesses in making informed decisions. These include economic forecasts, consumer behavior analysis, and competitive intelligence, which are indispensable for strategic planning and adapting to market dynamics. Together, these purposes underscore the invaluable role of trade association in fostering industry growth and sustainability.
So next, let's talk about the resident status of a trade association. It all depends on where the management and control of the organization business happen. If the trade association decision and operation are controlled from Malaysia at any point during the year, then the association is considered a resident of Malaysia. Once it is established as a resident, it stays as a resident unless proven otherwise. So if the main activities are in Malaysia, it's treated as a Malaysian resident organization.
Gross income accessibility is divided into two incomes, which is business income and non-business income. In the business income, total sum receivable on the revenue account, including interest paid and subscriptions, should be deemed to be the gross income. For your information, business income arising from trading with non-members is treated as a separate source of income. Plant and machinery used in the business activity is eligible for capital allowance. During year assessment 2020, small value assets such as calculator and printer not exceeding 2,000 ringgit each up to the value of 20,000 ringgit will be given 100% accelerated capital allowance. In the non-business income, there is specifically specified under Section 4, such as interest, dividend, and rental, which computed on an individual source basis, and also it is special donations and subscriptions. Donations will receive for special purposes such as alteration, repairs, and improvements of premises will be considered as capital receipt. Likewise, all outgoing for these purposes will be treated as capital disbursements. Where the capital receipts are not fully disbursed for the express purpose for which they are received, the excess will be deemed as a revenue receipts and becomes taxable. Other than that, general donations such as special subscription from members in conjunction with festive will be treated as income. Expense or outgoing relates to such events are deductible.
So now, let me explain about the income tax exemption. Income tax exemption for trade association applies to the specific types of income. According to the income tax exemption order 2005, membership subscription fees a resident trade association are tax exempt. However, other types of income like seminar fees or trade activities will remain taxable. To ensure the fair taxation, a portion of common expenses and capital allowance must be restricted based on the proportion of tax-exempt income. When a part of income is exempt, the restricted portion of income expenses and capital allowances is calculated by using this formula. This will ensure the only expenses related to the taxable income are deductible. I don't think you will understand if it's just like this. Let's take a look at the example of Klang Best Food Trader Association. It's given income expenditure and we got a surplus of income over expenditure. Given note that common expenses relating to the trade association business are directors' fees, employees' remuneration, transport and stationery, which when we total up, we'll have an amount of common expenses 200,000 ringgit. It also given amount of capital allowance which is 500,000 ringgit. Total income is 2.1 million, but since 1 million from membership fees and 100,000 from dividend income are exempted, this will leave the amount of 1.1 million ringgit taxable. Before we calculate the income tax payable, we need to calculate the chargeable income. First, we add a surplus of income over expenditure 1.6 million ringgit. Then, we will calculate the common expenses relating to the subscription fees by using the formula of common revenue expense times with membership subscription divided by business income, which is 1 million divided by 2 millions times with 200,000 and equal to 100,000 ringgit. Total up with surplus of income over expenditure, so we got a 1.7 million ringgit. After that, we deduct the taxable amount, which is 1.1 million, and we will get adjusted income of 600,000 ringgit. Capital allowance is given 500,000, but we need to minus the restricted amount relating to the subscription fees. Using the formula common capital allowance, times membership subscription divided by business income, which is 500,000 times 1 million divided by 2 millions, and we got 250,000 ringgit. Minus it, then we got the capital allowance is 250,000 minus with the 600,000, so we get the statutory income of 350,000 ringgit. We should add other business income, but since dividend income is exempted, so the amount of chargeable income is also 350,000 ringgit. Refer to the scale rate with the current budget. The tax payable that company need to pay is 71,200 ringgit.
Trade associations offer a variety of benefits to their members, which can range from individual, professional to entire industries. There are some benefits of joining a trade association. The first benefit is networking opportunities. As you know, they organize regular events, conferences, and seminars where you can meet industry peers, foundation clients, and even competitors. This can lead to fruitful collaborations, business partnership, and valuable mentorship opportunities. Secondly, benefit in cost saving. This can include discounts on industry-related products and services, reduced registration fees for events, and exclusive access to member-only deals. Over time, these savings can offset the cost of membership, making it a financially prudent choice for many professionals. Okay, lastly, the benefits in the credibility and recognition, where the membership in a trade association can enhance a business reputation and credibility, signaling to clients, suppliers, and customers that the business adheres to industry standards and best practices. Some associations also offers awards and recognition programs that can further elevate your standing in the industry.
In conclusion, trade associations are vital organizations that safeguard and promote the interests of their members, advocating for fair laws, offering networking opportunities, and providing the education and training. They also play a crucial role in establishing industry standards, enhancing credibility, and fostering collaboration among members, which contribute to the overall growth and sustainability of their industries.